What if I told you the solution to your stress is something you've had all along, your breath? Most people think stress relief has to be complicated. Expensive apps, yoga classes, endless self-care routines. But what if I told you you can start to relieve stress with something as simple as how you breathe? In fact, the first thing we tend to do when we're stressed is forget to breathe properly, which only makes things worse. Breathwork is more than just deep breathing. It's a powerful tool to shift your emotional and physical state in minutes. By controlling your breath, you can calm your mind, lower stress hormones, and gain emotional clarity. Let me show you how you can start today with 2 simple techniques. First up, we have box breathing. It's a really simple and effective technique that helps you regain control and center yourself during stressful moments. 1. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. 2. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. 3. Exhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. This method doesn't just calm you down mentally, it also physically reduces the production of cortisol, your body's stress hormone. And it's perfect for those moments when you're overwhelmed or anxious because it forces you to focus on your breathing instead of your stress. Next up is diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. This technique goes a step further in activating your body's natural relaxation response. First, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. 2. Slowly inhale through your nose, making sure your belly rises, not your chest. 3. Exhale fully through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall. 4. Repeat for a few minutes until you feel more centered. By focusing on breathing deeply into your belly, you're sending signals to your brain that it's time to relax, reducing tension in your muscles and lowering your heart rate. It's especially effective for those tight moments of stress when you feel like your whole body is in fight or flight mode. Think of your breath like a remote control for your nervous system. When you're stressed, you tend to take shallow, quick breaths, which keeps your body in high alert. But by practicing controlled breathwork, you're telling your brain to switch off the panic mode. Breathwork also helps you gain emotional clarity. By focusing on your breath, you're breaking the cycle of overthinking and giving your mind a chance to reset. It's not just about calming down, it's about reclaiming your mental space. These are 2 techniques you can start practicing right away. If you'd like to take it further, Guided 9D Breathwork has proven to be highly effective and incredibly helpful for emotional release and mental clarity. It'd be linked in this video description if you wish to explore it. So, the next time stress starts creeping in, remember, you have the power to calm your mind and body, and it's all in your breath. Just take a few minutes, practice these techniques, and feel the shift. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on self-care and wellness. See you in the next video.